Hello. Today, let's talk about why we are all so quick to choose sides. How do platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram force us into a corner to choose sides? Let's talk about you, me, and the algorithm. And although these pictures were generated by AI, they represent real people with real thoughts and experiences. Remember Erica and Ziheng? Their relationship was beautiful, complex, and yes, public. But after their breakup, something strange happened. The internet turned into a courtroom. Thousands of us became judges, even if we didn't intend to. Why? Because drama is money online. Most of us are paying for drama without realizing it. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, they don't reward peace. They reward engagement, and the most engaging thing is conflict. Okay, so when someone posts a breakup video, a cryptic caption, or even a deleted post, people make reaction videos. There are comment wars, and the algorithms push those posts higher and higher. It's not evil, it's just math. But that math can make us react in ways we normally wouldn't. Shattered, but I'm not broken. Wounded, but time will heal. So most of us didn't personally know Erica or Ziheng. Then why do we feel such strong opinions about them? Because the algorithm didn't just show us content, it shaped the way we saw the story. We watched sad montagers, tearful confessions, shady reposts, and slowly our empathy turned into entertainment. We didn't just watch, we got involved. Which brings me to this question. Are we being thoughtful viewers, or are we being influenced to take sides for clicks? So here are a few ways you can stay grounded even when drama goes viral. First, pause before reacting. Ask yourself, do I know the full story? Question your feed. If it feels emotionally charged, it's probably designed to be emotionally charged. Don't reward the drama. Watch, but don't spread posts that encourage speculation or hate. Support creators who prioritize honesty over virality. Erica and Ziheng's story touched people around the world, and that's wonderful. However, the way we engage with stories like theirs is on us. We're not just viewers. We're part of the algorithm. The good news is we have a choice in how we respond. If you've ever felt swept away by online drama, this episode was for you. Drop a comment below. Not about who's right or wrong, but about how the algorithm influenced your emotions. Let's make this a space for reflection, not reaction.